Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Robinhood Gold. At first go to your Robinhood application into your device. All that happens to the transfer section. In your account drop-down you will find transfer option. So, after click on that, basically, as you scroll down there's your linked account down there. You can add a new account here. Next scroll up then click on Transfer Money. This is going to allow you to transfer or deposit money from your bank account. So, you see from it's got your bank account selected. Click on that. Then you do to whatever Robinhood account you want. Then choose the amount of deposit here. After that review the transfer. It may take 5 business days to transfer. So that was all. Thanks for watching.